Mic check, coming to you all the way live. Mic check, mic check. I'm gonna be in and out. Got about 5 minutes. I already set the timer. Anyway, I want to tell everybody happy Friday. It's about 9:11 in the morning, and I'm feeling pretty good today. Feeling pretty good. It's Friday. I'm about to take off, and I want y'all to have a nice day. Let me get a sip. Good coffee, good coffee. But anyway, what I wanted to talk to y'all today about is just competition. The only person you should be in competition with is yourself. Me, I'm always looking at a better version of Booker Williams instead of comparing myself with somebody else. You know why? I can't be that person. I can only be the best Booker Williams that I am. And it just kind of trips me out. This one guy, he said, Booker, you've been doing this speaking and stuff, and you just seem natural at it. See, I just made a mistake. Nothing is natural. You have to practice your craft over and over and over and over, and just keep doing it. Hey, what's going on, Denise? Good morning, good morning. And a lot of times people, they don't realize where you came from. Guys, I'm going to tell you, I came from the bottom. I just developed myself to the person I am now because I kept on doing it over and over and over and over. And when you see somebody having good success, always congratulate that person. Because if you put it out in the atmosphere that you are, hey, I'm old school, I dare to do the old school wave. But if you put it out in the atmosphere that hatred and jealousy, it's going to come back to you. If you listen to it live, y'all give me a thumbs up. But if you're listening to the replay, just put hashtag replay. It's always going to be better when you hear it over and over. But what I'm saying, you have to let your light shine, because there's so many people out here that's living in darkness. And I'm going to tell you guys, your light shining will not, what's going on, Adrian? Your light shining will not diminish your light if you give it to somebody else. You got people that's always looking for inspiration, people that's looking for hope. There's a lot of bad things going out here, and we can be the hope in the world. We can inspire people. Believe me, that's one of the reasons why I tell people, just cut the news off. I think the last time I watched the news was 15 years ago, because I realized whatever I put in my subconscious is always going to be there. If you see an image, you can never get it out of your mind. That's why when people send me videos, I delete them. And if they continue to send them, I delete them. Because it's so true. Birds of a feather always flock together. And if you hang around winners, you're going to be a winner. If you hang around people that's going to take you to the next level, you're going to go to that next level. Trust and believe. What's going on, Mass Lucanian? Well, hopefully I said your name right, but hey, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. But I'm going to tell you, always congratulate yourself. And when you see somebody else doing something good, congratulate them. It's not going to take no skin off your back. And when it's your time, guess what? People, they going to clap for you. So you just stay in your lane and just be consistent with it. Every day, no matter what you do, just be consistent with it, because people are always, oh, I know this ain't right. What's going on, man? I ain't seen you in years, man. How's it going? And Shamakari. Anyway, I just want to give y'all a wave. But anyway, like I tell people, always work on you and be the best version of you, because people are looking to you. They looking for you to show up in the world with your light. And always let that light shine. Y'all see this light out here? Right now, it is shining on me because I'm bringing the light. I'm illuminating the light. And people like your light. People don't like when you complaining. That's darkness. And it really tells what's going on in here. So anyway, I want y'all to let y'all light shine this weekend. And if you're at work, do a good job. You'll get off at 4 or 5 o'clock. But just do that job, because they're paying you for the job. And if you work in your business, do a good job in your business. And let's go out today and let's be a good influence on somebody. Because somebody is always watching us, whether they say it or not. I'm telling y'all, people tell me all the time, they may not comment on your videos, but they watching you. You know why? Stop showing up. They'll send you a message. Hey, where you at? Where you at? But anyway, my time is up. I want everybody to have a great day. This is Booker Williams. I'm about to head to the beach and have some fun. My alarm is ringing, but hey, y'all be blessed. And I'm out. Let me stop this. All right, y'all take it easy. Booker Williams out.